morning.
Good.
Good morning, Joe. Welcome to my store. I'm looking for a cat. Hello, Mrs. Neneng. Oh, hello, Wiwi.
Hello.
Hi. Why are you here? I'm here buying clothes for practice. If you, I'm here to tell mother to buy yarn. Miss Neneng, I want to buy yarn. Do you have maroon color?
Yes, there is. You can follow Mrs. Tasha.
Hello guys, you can follow me now.
Okay, Mrs. Taza.
Okay. The broken color is on the left and the maroon color is on the front there.
Excuse me, I can take the one above. Can you get the cloth for me?
Yes, let me get it. Which cloth will you take?
Next to the white cloth.